Two ways specify broadcast and two media RS485 Ethernet UDP to release door locks by serial server in fire alarm event. Release RS485 Channel 1, Channel 2 specify no door lock. Serial server only sends release door lock command to specify controllers through RS485. Release of door locks by RS485 and Ethernet UDP. Serial server will broadcast release door lock command to all controllers through RS485 and Ethernet UDP. IP-based controller expects release door lock command from any one serial server. See the secondary DNS IP to 0 on IP-based controller. IP-based controller only expects release door lock command from single one serial server. See the secondary DNS IP to the specified IP address of serial server. Release of controller locks on RS485. Set the select node ID to 255 in the first file to 727CN, channel 1 and channel 2. Assign specified controllers that will release door lock. Fill in the node ID of specified release controllers in the select node ID file in 727CN, channel 1 and channel 2. Up to 8 units of controllers width can be assigned on channel 1 and channel 2 for door lock release. Three setting section of releasing door lock by serial server in fire alarm event. Fill in AR727CN IP address on browser's IP field. For the access to the serial port server, the login password will be required. The device login name is ADMIN and the password is not necessary. Click Yes to enter the setting page. Change the new IP on LAN IP address found on the network setting page. Press Update button to write the new IP address to devices and then use the new IP to log in again. Open channel setting page of 727CN. Enable the fire alarm open door function. Release all controller locks on RS485. Set the select node ID to 255 in the first field of 727CN, channel 1 and channel 2. Assign specified controllers that will release door lock. Fill in the node ID of specified release controllers in the select node ID field of 727CN. After press update, then the new setting will be effective. Fill in EHV5 controller's IP address on browser's IP field. IP-based controller expects release door lock command from anyone. Serial servers set the secondary DNS IP to 0 on IP-based controller. IP-based controller only expects release door lock command from one serial server. See the secondary DNS IP to the specified IP address of serial server. After plus update, then the new setting will be effective. The setting of release door lock by serial server in fire alarm event is completed.